In this video, you'll learn how to resolve the issue of not having enough SOL in your Phantom wallet. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to purchase SOL directly through the wallet interface. Begin by locating the Phantom extension on your web browser. If you have not yet installed it, ensure that you do so from a trusted source. Once you have the extension installed, click on the Phantom icon to open the wallet interface. After the wallet has loaded, look for the purple button labeled Buy SOL with Cash. Alternatively, you may see a general buy option. Clicking on either of these buttons will initiate the purchasing process. Upon clicking, a new window or pop-up will appear, prompting you to enter the amount of SOL you wish to purchase. Be mindful of your available funds and any transaction fees that might apply. Carefully input the desired amount in the designated field. Once you've entered the amount, proceed to complete your payment. The payment options will vary based on your location and the methods supported by Phantom. Follow the prompts to finalize your payment, ensuring that all information is accurate. After submitting your payment, it may take a moment for the transaction to process. Keep an eye on the wallet interface as it will update to reflect your new SOL balance. Wait patiently until the SOL appears in your wallet, indicating that the transaction has been completed successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.